This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. I'm going to show you how to change the color theme for Google Forms. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. And also, just a quick warning here, the options for changing the color theme are somewhat limited, and I'm going to explain how that works. Open up your Google form, click on the palette icon up at the top. It says Customize Theme. If you scroll down, you'll see options for color, and then it will show the background. Basically, what's happening here is Google takes a look at the custom images you may have in your form, and then it will use those as the color themes. So for instance, there's an orange square here. So if I wanted to make orange, that shade of orange, the main kind of the anchor for the theme, I'd click on it, and you can see that the kind of this line at the top turned that color orange, the background changed to another color. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of ways you can make this color darker. It really limits that, although what you can do, if you click the plus icon here, you can select another shade of orange, like I can make it a little bit darker if I want to, and then click Add, and then, I don't know if you noticed that, it's now a darker shade of orange than the original orange up here. You can also, add a completely different color. So like, let's say I wanted to add this lime green. I would just click Add, click the green there, maybe shift around this pointer, click Add, and then all of a sudden it's this weird shade of green. If this video helped, please take a moment to like or subscribe on YouTube. For more information about using Google Forms, check the links in the show notes or check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching.